Are you ready to unlock the secret to an incredibly flavorful and surprisingly simple homemade chicken adobo? Forget complex recipes. Today, I'm sharing you my absolute favorite way to make this classic Filipino dish. With a twist that guarantees golden crisp chicken and deeply satisfying sauce. If you are searching for easy adobo recipes or a new way to cook adobo, or simply authentic Filipino food at home, you've come to the right place. We start our star ingredient, succulent chicken pieces. And here's where the magic begins. Instead of just simmering, we're going for maximum flavor infusion right from the start. We're marinating our chicken in a vibrant blend of savory soy sauce, pungent fresh garlic, aromatic sliced onion, a generous grind of black pepper, and the essential tangy punch of fresh calamansi. This isn't just a marinade, it's a flavor bath, transforming plain chicken into something extraordinary in just 30 minutes. Perfect for those who are looking for quick adobo marinade tips. Now, for our unique step that sets this recipe apart and delivers incredible texture. Once marinated, we're going straight to the pan. We're pan frying each piece of chicken until it achieves that irresistible golden brown crust. These steps isn't just about color. It seals in juices, adds a delightful crispiness, and creates an extra layer of flavor that traditional adobo often misses. It's a game changer for everyone wanting crispy chicken adobo. Repeat until all your chicken beautifully brown and ready for the next stage. Finally, the reunion. We bring our perfectly fried chicken back together in the remaining flavorful marinade. We'll let this simmer gently, allowing all those incredible flavors to melt. Thicken slightly and truly coat every piece of chicken. A quick taste test, a little adjustment to your preference, perhaps a touch more calamansi for zing, or a bit more pepper for heat. And you've got a mouth-watering Filipino adobo recipe that's both familiar and excitingly new. This method delivers an adobo that's rich, tender, crispy, and bursting with authentic taste. It's perfect for weekday meals, family dinners, or when you simply crave the comforting flavors of the Philippines. Try the simple adobo hack and taste the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filipino cooking tutorials and easy dinner ideas.